In part 2, my dad joins me and we hunker down for a wet day at the track. We watch the Trans Am Series put on a great show in the rain. And we head out and have an early dinner at an old 1812 prison in Litchfield. Alright, good morning. We're back for day 2. And I have this guy with me today. He's back in the video. Got the Lime Rock sign here. We're waiting in line. There's a little bit of line this morning, not too bad. We're at the entrance. So.
We got arrows too.
Having us drive to the field for general parking. Either it's, I know, it's first time parking out here. This guy's cruising in his Jeep over there, moving. That guy's moving. Well, it must be pretty full in there for race day, but that's a long walk to the car now.
Yeah. Sure about the handicap.
Bobbin?
Sure about the handicap.
I know, damn. We gotta carry our own shit in. Oh man. Nice schoolie there. It's weird, we don't know where to go because we never do it like this. We usually just wake up here. But go to the ticket booth and everything now. We're getting a ride in the shuttle. Alright, made it to the midway. We'll find a spot in the hill, claim a little spot, and then see what we gotta do.
I said we can set up the chairs and then walk around after that.
Yeah. Pick a little spot, get a little spot staked out, and be alright. Alright, let's pick a spot. Well, it's 9:50 in the morning. There we go. I guess camp is set up, so it's step 2 time. mix of exhaust smell with this chili cooking over here. It smells absolutely amazing. There we go. Massive. My dad for scale. So you need the toter to all my MX-5s around. That'd be nice.
So keep your racing delicious and enjoy the GM.
Wait for a Sebring next time. What?
Got a 60-mile-an-hour speedometer.
That's not bad. Here we go. You can do an MX-5 for one of these though. You have to do.
All right. You may not be aware of it, but beneath your feet runs a network of pipelines, cables, and wires that keep Connecticut running. Protect them. Call 811 or visit cbyd.com before you dig. It's free and it's...
In the field, Scott Simpson in his number 21 Porsche Turbo, also in that second wave. But the big majority all in the 10MX class, which is for the Jetta GTA. Jetta G56 GTAs.
All right, so we need either one of these two for my track car.
It's a beautiful car.
Either neon or an MX-5.
In row 7, the third.
We're gonna need these today at some point. Running back to the car, grab the umbrellas because there is some heavy rain coming. It's drizzling now, but it's gonna get worse. The problem with not camping here is I have to walk all the way to the car to get anything we need. Grab the two umbrellas because it's gonna come down a bit around noon, so be ready for that. All right, so we got the umbrellas here. I got one with no handle on it and one big one. So we're kind of underprepared for the rain, but we're used to this. Usually we go back to the RV if it rains, get some nice, you know, cover, watch the TV maybe for a bit, put the live feed on. Not today. We are, it's like the old days here. I made it back to the hill. Now I just gotta find the seats. He's got some pizza waiting for us there. TA cars out there now with the other class, GT class. Here we are, hunkered down under the umbrella. It's raining pretty good, but it's gonna get worse, I think. All right, green flag. Track is wet. 850 horsepower, no driver aids. Turn 4 here. That's a good no name. Driver hit the ball pretty hard. So while we're under full course yellow here for the crash, I'm just gonna say that there are a lot of empty campsites for this place being sold out. Could have definitely pulled in here. Empty spots. All fair weather race fan campers. so far this year, I had tickets. Well, Trans Am was just a bit of a surprise. We've got tickets for NASCAR, Grid Life, and then of course we'll have to get Miata stuff when it gets closer, but should be a good one. Good season at Lime Rock. All right, TA2 race starting in a few minutes. We're gonna go down to outside turn 1. Check it out down there. We're heading over to turn 1. Watch the start. Starlink, yeah, we do. Because you pay. You can do monthly.
It's wet, and everybody in this TA2 race, which is going to start a larger field than Trans Am.
Couple of those for Sebring.
Yeah.
Advantage of those
There they go.
main tires, but when they come down that front straight, we look at standing when they come down there, the tails of water.
Great start.
Yellow flag on the restraint. Full course yellow. They're on the full course yellow for incident in the backstretch. Can't see from here. Yeah, they had a bunch of different breweries there. Our pace car's off. Green flag. Yeah, I can see him out there.
2 laps.
2 laps, yeah. Maybe 2 laps. Safety car picking up the field. Caution for this hitting the uphill, but they got the car for turn 1 as well. All the cars are out. Empty garages. Back it up. I think I spotted our chairs. Maybe those are ours? I'm not sure. Maybe over there. Oh, they're all pulled in. Here we go, green. 25 minutes to go. Track is drying. heading out for the day, back to the car. All the major races are over. A couple of races left, but we're gonna head out because it's cold and wet. You know, the vendors clear out of the midway. A couple of races to go, but they're all heading out. So we got back to the chairs and watched the end of the TA2 race there. They're soaked, so we sat in them anyway, but our asses are wet. We're making the walk back out to the car. It's not that far. I just want to complain about something because we're not camping. See, if it was a regular Lime Rock trip, we would be back in the RV by now with the heat on, cooking some food up, hopping on some YouTube videos, something. But no, we gotta walk back to the car. We made it back to the car. Get the heat turned on. A little chilly. All right, let's get on the road. All right, stopping for a quick little bite on the way back to the house. Yeah. Let's have a good little dinner. Head back to the car. Get back home. Start editing some video. Look how cute that thing is. It's tiny as hell. I probably couldn't fit in it. I probably couldn't even fit in that thing.
Oh, it is like the bed.
I know. It's just a bed and a.
You barely sit up.
That's like shrimp. You sit like a shrimp.